So how would you like to make money making videos and get paid to your PayPal account without showing your face and with no subscribers whatsoever? Well, I'm going to show you how in this video. Hey guys, my name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So as you guys know, if you want to get monetized on YouTube, you gotta meet specific requirements like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, if that's your goal, if you want to make money from the YouTube ad revenue, then check out my video on how to get monetized on YouTube fast, where I break down the entire process that you can use to get your channel monetized as soon as possible. I'm gonna put a link to that video in the description below. But let's say you're just starting on YouTube, you barely have any subscribers, but you need to make money now. What is the fastest way that you can start making money on YouTube, even if you're not monetized yet? So I'm gonna show you one technique that I've used multiple times to make money from my YouTube channel without relying on the YouTube ad revenue. In fact, I'm gonna show you one YouTuber who's making over $50,000 per month from his YouTube channel, and not because he has a lot of subscribers or because he's getting millions of views, simply because he's using this technique that I'm going to show you in this video. So listen, before we get started in this video, I want you to do two things. Number one, make sure you hit the like button below. It's really going to help me out with this video. And number two, make sure you download my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. It's completely free with over 40 pages that can teach you exactly how you can make money, not just with your YouTube channel, but using different strategies and techniques that you can start applying right now to make an extra $50, $100, or $200 per day. You can download it by clicking in the description below. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be jumping to my computer because I wanna show you exactly how this process works so you can see how easy it is to replicate. So let's do that right now. So basically, this is the YouTuber that I was telling you about, because this guy was able to do something incredible on YouTube when it comes to how he was able to set up his channel and make money from his content. So basically, he has about 48,000 subscribers on YouTube, and as you can see, he doesn't really get a lot of views on his videos, but it really doesn't matter because he's making a ton of money using this technique. On average, he's getting anywhere from 700 views to 1,000 views per video. Every single video is different, mainly because he's reviewing a different product every single time. And he's not focused on getting a ton of views on those videos. He's simply focused on getting those videos rank on the first page of YouTube. He creates videos very frequently. As you can see, this video was posted 24 hours ago, this one 3 days ago, 5 days ago. So let me explain as quickly as possible how this works. So you can see this video right here was posted 5 days ago. It's called the Halloween method review. If we go on YouTube and we type in the Halloween method review, you can see that there's a bunch of videos, including his, ranking on the first spot of YouTube. And there's also a bunch of other people who are also reviewing the same exact products. And if we scroll down, you can see there's more people doing this, and this video ranking on the first page of YouTube with only 21 views posted 6 days ago. This one 170 views posted 6 days ago, and that's mainly because there's very little competition for this specific terms. When you're trying to rank those videos on the first page of YouTube, because there's very little competition, it's a lot easier than trying to rank for keywords with a higher search volume. So that's why this guy was able to rank on the first page of YouTube, and this guy as well, with only 21 views. So if we actually go and check out this guy right here, John Newman, if we go to his YouTube channel, you can see that he only has about 1,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and he's doing the same exact thing. Now here's another YouTube channel doing the exact same thing. This one has 294 subscribers, and again, you can see a pattern of how they actually make money by just doing review videos. First thing they do is they actually sign up for multiple affiliate networks. A website like Monetized will provide you with a list of new products that are being launched within the next week or 30 days. So you can see the dates here of all the products, digital products that are being launched within the next month. And from there, you can also see how much money you could make if you actually promoted that product as an affiliate. So for example, this one right here, $47 at 50% commissions. So that's exactly what Jono is doing. As you can see in this one, his latest video, if we actually click on that video, we scroll down to his description, and if we actually click on this link, which is the first link on the description, you can see that this is exactly what he's doing. He created a bridge page which allows him to explain what the product is all about. He provides all the details of the product, and he says if you decide to purchase this product through my link, I'm going to provide you with a bonus. He knows that by offering more value on top of the product that he's promoting, there's more chances of him getting a sale. And as you can see, if we go back to his YouTube channel, you can see that his videos in the beginning weren't getting any views whatsoever. He was only getting a few hundred views per video, but he kept doing this method because his main income stream comes from affiliate marketing, not the YouTube partner program. So he has a proven business model that has been working for a few years, and the more videos he has out there, the more sales he makes. So let's recap the benefits of this affiliate technique on YouTube. Number one, there's very little competition. Number two, you can get started today. Number three, you don't need any subscribers or specific amounts of views. And number four, you can make money this month if you actually start reviewing products and actually start uploading videos every single week. Now, how do I know this works? Well, personally, I've ranked multiple review videos on the first page of YouTube that are bringing me sales every single day. But if you're just getting started on YouTube, you might not know exactly what it takes to be able to rank a video on the first page of YouTube. So that's exactly where you should start. You should know exactly what tools to use and how you should optimize your videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description below to this video that can break down the process on how you can rank your videos on the first page of YouTube. So again, all the links and resources are going to be found in the description below. Don't need to create high quality videos for this technique to work, because if you get access to the products and you create a review video that actually makes sense and actually helps people, you can get that video ranked on the first page of YouTube extremely fast, mainly because there's very little competition when it comes to very specific keywords, and the people who are actually researching those keywords are looking to buy the product themselves. And because there's very little competition, you don't need to get a lot of views in order to rank your video on the first page of YouTube. Now imagine you had 20-30 videos ranking on the first page of YouTube in about 3 months. Just by having those videos getting a few views per day and getting a few sales per week, that could easily mean an extra $1,000, $1,500 per month just from videos that are sitting on the first page of YouTube. No ad revenue, basically just sales coming in from those review videos. So this is why this technique is so powerful and how you can definitely make $100 per day, $200 per day by simply reviewing affiliate products, digital products. So guys, this is one of my favorite methods of making money on YouTube because you don't have to rely on the YouTube ad revenue, whether or not you're getting more views or less views, because with this method you simply have to find the right products to review. And as you can see, there's hundreds of products being launched every single month, so most likely that's not going to be an issue for you. So listen, if you enjoyed this video, what I want you to do is to hit that like button below, because it's really going to help me out with this video. Hopefully more people will be able to see it. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.